stream earlier than expected because there is stuff that is now starting to pop up in Oklahoma, Kansas, all that area. And we have just recently gotten the first watch of the day, with there being a severe thunderstorm watch being issued. So while we pull back up Radar Omega here, let's go in and show you guys all of our warnings that we have in effect currently. Also, I am going to cough a lot during the stream. If you were here yesterday for my gaming stream that I did say that I was sick. And I am still sick. So, we are doing our best here. We are certainly doing the best that we can with what we have available. I am on medicine. However, I'm not sure how much it'll work, especially if we're talking for a while. But we have not used Radar Omega in pretty much a month now since Hurricane Milton made landfall. In fact, that was our last weather related stream. And we do have a tropical system out there, but we're not going to be focusing on because we do have severe weather that we have to talk about today. If Radar Omega wants to work, that is. So, let's go right on into coverage here. We have a 0 out of 10 in the light green, 1 out of 10 in the darker green. That includes Cedar Rapids, Waterloo, Lincoln, St. Louis, Bloomington, Madison, Rockford, Davenport, all those areas. Our yellow area here is our slight risk, our level 2 out of 10. That includes Jefferson City, Springport, Springfield, Fort Smith, Tahlequah, Shawnee, Oklahoma City, and I believe the Fort Worth area. Yeah, Fort Worth, Dallas, and McKinney as well. And then our level 3 out of 5 today. 3 out of 5. That includes Topeka, Kansas City, St. Joseph, Wichita, Tulsa, Joplin. All those areas there need to be prepared for severe weather today. And we actually do have a mesoscale discussion saying that a tornado watch is likely here. So let's go into it. Areas affected western, northern Oklahoma, and southern Kansas concerning severe potential tornado watch likely. Probability of tornado watch issuance 80%. There's an increasing threat for supercells this afternoon across western, north central Oklahoma, and southern Kansas. These storms will have a threat for a large hail and a few tornadoes. Some type of impulse triggered some elevated thunderstorms. What? Some type of impulse triggered some elevated thunderstorms. Don't know what the wording there is, but okay. Across southern Kansas this evening. In the wake of this activity, subsidence has resulted in clearing and significant surface heating across western Oklahoma and southern Kansas. In addition, low-level moisture advection has increased dew points to 64, 67, 67 Fahrenheit ahead of the dry line as far north as Reno and Harvey counties in Kansas. SPC meta-analysis currently suggests around 1,000 to 15,000 joules per kilogram mid-level CAPE and minimal inhibition. Continued surface heating and mid-level cooling may allow for some additional stabilization later this afternoon. Current visible satellite shows deepening cumulus along the dry line from Harper County, Oklahoma to near Childress, Texas. Expect initial strong severe storm development near the triple point, northwest Oklahoma, southern Kansas, where enforcing is strongest. Eventually expect additional development southward along the dry line to near I-40 in Oklahoma. These storms along the dry line will have greater potential to remain discrete for a few hours, given the more favorable boundary orientation. At this time, the most favored solution is a more linear wind QLCS tornado threat along the cold front in Kansas with a more discrete hail-strong tornado threat associated with supercells in northern Oklahoma and southern Kansas. Based on current trends, a tornado watch will likely be needed soon. So that is coming from our most recent mesoscale discussion issued by Bentley and Gleason at about 30 minutes ago. Yeah, about 1:15 this was issued, and it is currently not even that, more like 40 minutes. Not even 40 minutes. Like 30 something minutes. Like 25 minutes ago this was issued. So they are expecting a tornado watch to be issued here soon. I want to see what radar this pulls up. It does pull up Dodge City. Okay, perfect. So we're going to go into all these storms now and take a look at all of them. So our first storm is this one. This is in effect for southern Kiowa County in south central Kansas, west central Barber County in south central Kansas, and Comanche County in south central Kansas. This is until 2:15 Central Daylight Time. So we still have a bit to go with this. At 1:28, severe thunderstorms are located along the line, extending from near Wilmore to 6 miles southwest of Buttermilk. That's an interesting town name. Moving east at 25 miles an hour, 60-mile gusts and core-sized hail is expected. There is no tornado possible tag associated with it at this time. Take a look at storm relative, and yeah. This stuff up here is just wind pushing in. This isn't rotation at this time. Union County. Okay. Coverage up here is going to be a bit difficult because we don't exactly have radar up here. Like, much radars, I should say. This is a damage threat considerable severe thunderstorm warning, so treat this as you would a tornado. Just get underground, get anything that could fly out indoors. We have numerous reports of wind gusts with the storm. We have a 58-mile-an-hour gust here in 3 miles northwest of Corning in Atchison, Missouri County, Missouri. That's on a private weather station there. We have 2 reports here in Richardson County, in the Falls City, of multiple trees down. So that's associated with this storm system up here. We have a gust report here from a personal weather station of 62, 1 mile southwest of Moreau. Then we have another one here in 1 mile southwest of Sabatha in Nemaha, County, Kansas. Gusts of 59 miles an hour. So we have a lot of small isolated cells as well over here. Not seeing any rotation right now with these storms, which is good at this time. We're not seeing anything too tornadic yet. Go ahead and jump back down here to the Oklahoma area. Check in with our storm down here. Still not seeing anything too serious yet. Checking everything, make sure that we're not missing anything. And it does not look like we are at this time.